Hey team, it's Marty, your NASM-certified personal trainer. Today we're talking about a powerful fitness truth backed by new research. Movement matters, even in tiny doses. What if I told you that doing just 5 extra minutes of moderate to vigorous activity each day could meaningfully protect your brain and body, especially as you get older? Not a marathon or high-intensity session, just movement that adds up. Let's break down the science. A 2025 study out of Johns Hopkins found that stepping up your physical activity, even by a small amount, was linked with significantly reduced risk of dementia. The key takeaway: you don't have to be a gym warrior to benefit. Every minute counts. And this fits with other research showing that physical activity, whether it's walking, cycling, or structured workouts, supports mental well-being, mood, and long-term health without needing to be intense or long. Even light activity has benefits, but moderate to vigorous movement gives you the strongest protective effect for brain health. As your NASM-CPT coach, here's how to use this science in your day-to-day life. 1. Start small, stay consistent. If you're sedentary, begin with 5 to 10 minutes daily of brisk walking or activity that raises your heart rate. 2. Build minute by minute. Once 5 minutes feels easy, bump up to 10, then 20. It's about progressive consistency. 3. Mix movement types. Combine short cardio bouts with strength work 2 to 3 days per week. Strength still matters for muscle and metabolic health. 4. Think long-term. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about investing in your body and brain for years to come. 5. Make it purposeful. Park farther, take the stairs, or do a quick movement circuit during TV breaks. Every minute moves the needle. Your challenge this week? Commit to 5 extra minutes of intentional movement every day. Track it, either in your planner, phone, or notes app, and share your wins in the comments below. If you're ready for sustainable fitness that builds health and confidence, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly research-backed coaching. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Start small, stay steady, and let's move better together. This is the approach I cover in my new Guide to Fitness Over 40.